Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I get the error notification while try to use the music feature via my Instagram application, and the message is this song is currently unavailable. So how to fix this kind of problems in your Instagram application? And sometimes this error is mainly occurred due to your login locations. So first of all, log out your all locations. So how to do it? So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Instagram application in your Android mobile or iOS device and then click to sign in your account details. Now in this homepage section, you can press that person icon and it is placed at the bottom of fifth one and it shows my Insta profile. But you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and it is placed at the almost top of right side corner, and then go to settings and this option is placed at the bottom. So now it shows all my Instagram settings, but you can go to security settings and the fourth one. So in the settings section, simply you can press login activity and the second one. So now it shows my all Instagram login locations, but you can click to log out all these locations by simply press that horizontal 3 dots icon. But friends, you can do this process from bottom to top. So once your all locations are successfully removed, just close this Instagram application. And my suggestion is always you can use stable version of Instagram application, because if you use beta version, some features are not available and it may be shows any error messages. So don't use it. And also you can click to install this VPN application from Google Play Store. So once this application installs successfully, just click to open it and click to accept these terms and conditions. So finally my application is ready to use. So just click to connect this VPN and it starts to connecting, so be patient. So once your connection is made successfully, just close this application and once again open your Instagram application. So now in this homepage section, simply you can press your profile icon and it is placed at the almost top. And then my mobile camera is automatically turned on. So if you like to capture any photo, just use this camera feature. Otherwise you can choose the image from your gallery. So once you select your image file, now in this section you can press that face smiley icon and it is placed at the top. And then it shows some Instagram features, but you can choose music. And then I try to search that same music. And this is that music. So finally here you can see now my favorite music is successfully posted on my Instagram story section and it does not show any error messages. So this is the way you can easily fix your all Instagram music problems by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.